Hey guys, welcome back to Puzzle Out. In this video we will be discussing a law in Basic Laws of Circuitry from Circuit Theory and Analysis subject. The law we will be focusing here is the Ohm's law. So before we dive into the topic, we will take a brief look at what resistance is. So according to the definition, resistance is the ability to resist current. Or in other words, we can say that it is the current opposing property of an element. It is usually denoted by R. To understand this better, let us consider a cylindrical structure with the length as L, area of cross section as A, and its resistivity as ρ. Then in such a case, the resistance of the element is defined as R equals to ρ L by A. Now coming back to the Ohm's law, it is coined by George Simon Ohm. The law states that the voltage across a resistor is directly proportional to the current flowing through the same resistor. So this Ohm's law can be represented as follows, taking the statement that voltage is directly proportional to the current. So V becomes directly proportional to I. Here V is the voltage whereas I is the current flowing through the resistor. So in order to equate it, we employ a proportionality constant called as resistance. This is the constant of probability. Then the equation becomes V equals to IR, which is the Ohm's law. The units for these terms are volts for voltage, amperes for current, and ohms for resistor. Now let us try to understand this Ohm's law furthermore in detail. In the Ohm's law equation, we might consider R to be a constant value all the time since it is a proportionality constant. But ironically, its value varies from external and internal factors or even from element to element or even at different temperatures. So the value of resistance ranges from 0 to infinity. Now let us try to consider the two extreme cases and look at its behavior in such situations. Consider a resistor of resistance R and a current I flowing through it. At 0 ohms, the voltage is 0, hence it is short circuited. Similarly, at R equals to infinity, the current becomes 0 and is open circuited. So let us try to analyze how this happens by taking the help of Ohm's law. Firstly, we rearrange the Ohm's law as R equals to V by I. So if R equals to 0, then the numerator part becomes 0, hence voltage is 0. Similarly, if R equals to infinite, then the denominator part should be 0 and hence the current flowing through it becomes 0. So this is all about Ohm's law in brief. We will be discussing about other laws of circuitry in our coming videos.